So in this video we will see string in Python. So string is sequence of characters. So what are the characters? Characters are can be English alphabets, Hindi alphabets, Chinese alphabets, numbers, emojis, and even next line or even space are included in characters. So can we say string is group of characters? So the answer is no, we can't say that string is group of characters. We can understand it by below example that RIP, when we compare RIP to PIR, because both string are created using three characters and the three characters used by both string is same, but the when we execute it, it is returning false. So we can't say that string is group of characters because in a string order of characters matters. So how to create strings in Python? So we can create the string using single quotes, double quotes, and even triple quotes. So here you can see that this string is created by double quotes, and here you can see this string is created by single quotes. The difference between these strings is nothing, they are same, but here you can see the string as created using triple quotes is different than these two. It is majorly used for creating multi-line string. Like here you can see that we created multi-line string using triple quotes. So this is the multi-line string, and when we print this string, it is printing in two line. This is my room. So can we create multi-line string using single quotes or double quotes? So the answer is no, we cannot create multi-line string using single quote and double quotes. As here you can see, S is equal to creating using double line. This now this is H. So there is syntax error. So in next video we will see how our computer store the characters in memory. This is done using majorly encoding the each characters into integer, like we encode the characters into its ASCII value or also in Unicode value, and we will see it in next video.